In this video, we're going to show you how to make your very own Horace hat, complete with antlers. You won't need too much kit, in fact you'll probably have a lot of these things around the house. A ruler for drawing straight lines, a tape measure for measuring your head, a pair of scissors for cutting the paper, some sellotape, or you could use a stapler, some paper glue for decorations, a pencil and some coloured pens. You'll also need some paper, a long piece to go around your head and a couple of sheets of thick paper or card to make the antlers. You could even recycle old cereal boxes for this. You can use anything. Use your favourite colour, but make sure there's enough room to draw around your hand. Now it's time to measure your head. Take the measuring tape, or if you don't have one, you can use a piece of string and wrap it round your head where you want your hat to sit. Make sure there's a slight overlap. You'll need this when it comes to fastening the headband together. Use your head measurements to mark out the length of your headband. Luckily, I've already got a long thin piece of card, but if you don't have one, you might want to use your ruler to create one. If you don't have a long piece of card or paper, you can always stick two shorter pieces together to create a long one. Now it's antler time. Place your hand on a piece of card and then draw around it with your pencil. Once you've done this, take your scissors and cut out the shape. Ta-da! An antler! Repeat this on your other piece of card so you have two antlers, one for each side of your headband. Next, it's time to decorate the headband. I'm using pieces of card cut into triangles. You can decorate your headband in lots of different ways. You could use things from around the house, like tin foil or wool, or you may have some wrapping paper or an old Christmas or birthday card. I'm decorating the triangles with shapes drawn in colourful felt tip pen. Once I've decorated the triangles, I'm using the glue to stick them onto my headband. To make sure that the shapes stick properly, I'm putting a weight on top of the glued triangles. Now it's time to glue our antlers onto our headband. So I'm taking my headband and putting the short ends together with a slight overlap. I'm going to put a staple in the top and then another staple in the bottom to keep it secure. There's your headband. If you're using sellotape, just take a piece of tape and stick the join together. It's a little bit more fiddly than using a stapler, but it's much safer for tiny fingers. Now it's time to put our antlers on our headband. Take your antlers and staple them securely on either side of the headband. If you're using sellotape, hold your antler in position and then use a piece of tape to secure it to the headband using one strip on the inside and one strip on the outside join. Remember to enter the competition for the best elk impression. You could win a lovely prize.